Imagine for a moment that the life you're living now is just one dimension of existence. What if you could step into another dimension, a reality where everything you dream of is already yours? What if the obstacles you face are only illusions of the mind, created by your current concept of self? Today, we'll uncover the profound truth that your reality is shaped by your imagination, and by thinking beyond the limits of the physical world, you can transform your life entirely. The first step to stepping into another dimension is understanding the power of imagination. Your imagination isn't just a fleeting daydream, it's the creative force of the universe working through you. Everything you see around you, from the smallest object to the grandest structure, was once an idea. Someone dared to imagine it and, through persistence, brought it into existence. Similarly, your life is a reflection of what you consistently imagine to be true. The question is, are you imagining limitations, or are you imagining infinite possibilities? To truly transform your life, you must think fourth-dimensionally. This means going beyond the constraints of time and space and realizing that the future isn't something you wait for, it's something you create now. In this dimension, there's no separation between what you desire and its manifestation. The only barrier is your belief that it's far away or unattainable. But here's the secret: if you can feel it as real now, it will be. Begin by selecting a desire that truly excites you. It could be anything: a fulfilling career, radiant health, a loving relationship. The key is to focus on one clear desire and give it your full attention. Now, imagine yourself already living it. Close your eyes and construct a scene in your mind that implies your desire has been fulfilled. If you long for a new home, imagine yourself walking through its rooms, touching the walls, and feeling the warmth of belonging. Make the scene as vivid and real as possible, engaging all your senses. Feel the joy, the gratitude, and the satisfaction of having your wish fulfilled. Here's where many falter: they imagine the scene but quickly revert to doubting it will ever happen. This is where persistence comes into play. The fourth-dimensional thinker doesn't waver. You must occupy this state of mind as if it's already your reality. When doubts arise, gently remind yourself that what you imagine with conviction is as real as the ground beneath your feet. Do not allow external circumstances to dictate your belief. The physical world is just a shadow of the unseen reality you are creating within. Another crucial practice is to align your inner dialogue with your desired reality. Pay attention to the conversations you have with yourself throughout the day. Are you affirming your new life, or are you reinforcing the limitations of the old one? For example, if you're seeking financial freedom, don't allow thoughts like, "I'll never have enough," to take root. Instead, replace them with affirmations of abundance: "I always have more than enough. Prosperity flows to me effortlessly." These words, spoken with belief, are seeds that will grow into tangible experiences. Let's talk about faith. Faith isn't blind hope, it's the confident expectation that what you desire is already yours. This faith bridges the gap between your current dimension and the one you wish to step into. It's not about forcing or striving, it's about trusting the process and knowing that what you've imagined will materialize in its own perfect time. Faith is the fuel that keeps your imagination alive, even when the physical world shows no evidence of change. Hold fast to this faith, and you'll see miracles unfold. Another essential aspect of stepping into another dimension is detachment. Detachment doesn't mean giving up on your desire, it means letting go of the how and when. Trust that the higher intelligence within you knows the best way to bring your vision to life. Your job is not to control every detail but to remain steadfast in your belief. Release the need to see immediate results and rest in the knowing that your imagined reality is unfolding perfectly. Living fourth-dimensionally also means thinking of gratitude as a daily practice. Gratitude aligns you with the frequency of abundance and joy, opening the gateway to your new reality. Even before your desires manifest, give thanks as if they already have. For example, if you're envisioning a harmonious relationship, express gratitude for the love and connection you feel. Gratitude is a powerful amplifier, it strengthens your faith and accelerates the manifestation process. One of the most transformative realizations is that time is not linear in the fourth dimension. What you desire already exists, it's simply waiting for you to align with it. Think of time as a spiral, where past, present, and future coexist. By imagining yourself in your desired state now, you pull that reality into your experience. This understanding liberates you from the idea of waiting. You are no longer bound by the ticking clock, you are the creator of time and space. Your ability to transform your life hinges on the realization that everything you need already exists within you. The power to shift dimensions is not found in external achievements or possessions but in your capacity to think and feel differently about yourself. Many people mistakenly search for answers outside themselves, believing that their circumstances must change first. But true transformation happens when you redefine your concept of self from the inside out. This isn't a passive process, it requires an active shift in your focus and beliefs. When you stop identifying with the limitations of your current state and instead align with the infinite possibilities available to you, the world will reflect this change back to you. It's essential to recognize the significance of emotions in creating your desired reality. Emotions are the fuel that powers your imagination. Without emotional conviction, even the most vivid mental picture remains inert. To step into another dimension, cultivate the feeling of already being where you want to be. How does it feel to have achieved your goals? How does it feel to live the life you've always dreamed of? Allow those emotions to fill your heart and mind, making them more real to you than anything else. This feeling-based approach activates the creative forces within you, bringing your vision into tangible form. Another overlooked aspect of stepping into a new dimension is the role of self-concept. Your self-concept is the foundation of your reality. If you view yourself as someone limited by circumstances, lacking confidence, or unworthy of success, that perception will shape your life. On the other hand, if you see yourself as empowered, capable, and deserving of all the good things life has to offer, this belief will open doors that seemed previously impossible. To transform your self-concept, start affirming the qualities you want to embody. Speak to yourself as the person you aspire to be, and act as if it is already true. This is not pretending, it is aligning with your higher self. Patience is another key principle in this process. While your imagination works instantaneously in the unseen realm, the physical world takes time to catch up. Many people lose faith when they don't see immediate results, but this is where your persistence is tested. Trust the process, knowing that every thought, feeling, and belief is a step closer to your desired outcome. The physical reality you experience is like a photograph, it's a snapshot of your past inner state. As you continue to align with your vision, the picture will change to match your new state of being. Let's talk about persistence. Transformation doesn't happen overnight. It requires dedication and the willingness to stay true to your vision, even when challenges arise. The physical world may test your resolve, but it's only a reflection of your past thoughts. Keep feeding your imagination with the vision of your desired life, and over time, the outer world will catch up. The beauty of thinking fourth-dimensionally is that it not only transforms your life but also awakens you to your true nature. You realize you are not a victim of circumstances but the architect of your destiny. You are a limitless being, capable of creating realities beyond your wildest dreams. Step boldly into this new dimension, and watch as your life transforms in ways you never thought possible.